The world sleeps unaware. 3:12 a.m. The shadowed southern Zagros Mountains. Somewhere beneath the limestone cliffs, a secret Iranian nuclear lab hums with deadly potential. Its location only revealed by traces of uranium in the air. And at that very moment, the USS Abraham Lincoln and a coalition of allies prepared to turn the darkness into a 30,000-pound lesson in unstoppable precision. Inside the Lincoln's Combat Information Center, analysts stare at the RQ-180 drone feed, streams of infrared and spectral data painting the mountains like a digital spiderweb. The first strike 4 hours earlier flattened a decoy base, but this was the hidden heart of Iran's nuclear ambitions. Underneath 400 feet of solid rock, a labyrinth of tunnels cradled enrichment centrifuges and missile hardware. The discovery jolted the Allied command. The real fight hadn't started yet. Iran's defenses were no ordinary batteries. Passive heat sensors, Bavar 373s, legacy Hawk systems coordinated under fiber optic secrecy. Detection meant death. The US and its partners had to execute a perfect ballet of destruction. Israel's F-35E Adirs slicing through the electromagnetic maze. Jordan and UAE masking movements with an electronic shield, all synchronized for a single flawless strike. The target, a hidden lab beneath a jagged overhang, shielded naturally from bombs. Only the GBU-57AB massive ordnance penetrator could reach it. Two B-2 Spirit bombers, wings wider than a football field, carried the 30,000-pound kinetic monsters toward the heart of the mountain. Every step, every maneuver, coordinated across skies, seas, and satellites, a symphony of lethal precision. Missiles launched from the mountain floor, Bavar 373s trying to blind the coalition. One F-16 took the brunt, engine shredded, flares ablaze, 9G maneuvers barely saving the pilot. A-10 Warthogs responded instantly, their GAU-8 Avenger cannons tearing limestone and enemy positions to dust. Tomahawk missiles from Arleigh Burke-class destroyers reshaped the cliffside, exposing hidden launchers. Electronic warfare flooded Iranian frequencies. Operators couldn't even hear themselves think. The B-2s reached release altitude. 30,000 pounds of hardened steel fell at 1,100 miles per hour. For seconds, silence. Then the mountain shook. Tunnels collapsed. Centrifuges destroyed. The lab reduced to radioactive rubble. The pressure wave traveled through every hidden shaft, a subterranean storm of precision and destruction. The Iranian secret nightmare was gone in under 10 minutes. Iran retaliated with drones and short-range missiles, but the coalition's layered defense, SM-6s, CIWAS, electronic warfare, and air cover made the skies lethal. Not a single Allied asset lost, beyond the one F-16 pilot. The Zagros Mountains, once a fortress, had become a trap. The lesson was clear. In the era of integrated lethality, hidden bunkers and mountainous terrain can no longer protect secrets. The mission was a masterclass in coordination. Satellites, drones, bombers, ships, and jets operating as one lethal organism. Secrets buried for decades now lie in dust. This isn't just a story of bombs and missiles. It's a blueprint for modern warfare, showing how intelligence, technology, and coalition power redefine what is possible. What would you have done differently? More Tomahawks? Or was the massive ordnance penetrator the only option? Comment below. Hit subscribe to witness more second-by-second deconstructions of today's most advanced military operations. The watch continues.